never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
All right, well, let me man, I have to hold this camera out for a while. But anyways, I just want to get on here, and I know I haven't been making any videos, but and I recently, well, let me turn the camera over. I recently replaced the media in my filter. It's a DI filter, DI and I made this a while back. I made some videos about it, but so I did replace that probably like a couple weeks ago, maybe a week ago, I don't know, something like that. But then I've figured I should wash my solar panels. As you can see, they're pretty bad. So I just started, and I've been waiting to decide what kind of camera I'm gonna get. That's why I haven't been making any videos, but because my other one kind of lost it. It's probably kind of hard to hear. I should have got my mic. But anyways, I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna wash these panels up. They're filthy. I haven't washed them in forever, and because of my filter. So we'll do a little time lapse of this, cleaning them, and then we'll talk about the filter and if I still like everything. So let's go. All right. Hopefully you guys can see. That was just a quick. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that was just a quick. I don't know, like 20-30 minute wash. Like, I mean, they were filthy, filthy. I haven't washed them in forever. So California in the valley, dust like crazy. But just to recap on what I have a Destroyer 30. And then I have this. I built this. I'll put a link to the video where I did it. But so it's just a carbon fiber pole. This thing is very expensive. You can get cheaper ones, so I suggest probably not getting this one, even though it's super light. It's very expensive. But then you just got the regular hose, and then you have this little coupler right here where you can turn the water on and off. And then I made all of this, so I ordered this online. And then I'll put links to all this stuff in there in the description. But really don't need this, because this really doesn't do it. In the last video I kind of talked about it, but I just left it on there, whatever, like a pre-filter. And that's it. Just I put all these couplers on here just to make easy. All my water hoses and everything have couplers on them, so I can easily connect, disconnect, like my what do you call it, pressure washer. Like, everything has those couplers. Just makes it so much easier. And they do go bad, but they're so cheap. You just pop the old one off, put a new one on, no big deal. But anyway, so I know a lot more people are getting these solar panels, and they do get dirty. Yeah, you can kind of see them. I'm gonna have to kind of go over them again, but like, that was just a quick. And then I'll probably go over them one more time. But anyways, this is just an example of how you can clean your solar panels from the ground, which is like way better than getting on the roof. I have a couple more I have to do over here, but we'll just end this video right here. Like I said, I'm probably going to clean this up one more time, go over it one more time, and then maybe I'll get a little shot of the final product once I'm done. Okay, so before I close this video, I do want to make a couple of comments about this pole. When I bought it, like I said, it was very expensive. They do have cheaper versions, carbon fiber. I'm sure they're close to being the same, but one thing that I do regret, when I bought this, it's a 10-inch. Let's see, I think it's 10. Yeah, so this is a 10-inch. I would suggest getting the biggest one. They make like 18-inch ones. I would get the biggest one. If you're planning on cleaning solar panels, I would get the biggest one. you know, and because they're kind of pricey. This one has the boar hair on the inside. It's like the hybrid. These things are expensive. They're not cheap, so I would get the bigger one. I wish I would have did that, and definitely get a mount that angles like this. That's like a must. And if you think you might need a goose neck, you know, because they sell those too. But other than that, this pole, I mean, I've used it a bunch of times. Like I said, I've been kind of lazy lately. I haven't done this probably about 6 months. Maybe a little bit less, but you know, this is, like I said, is an easy way to get the solar panels clean from the ground. Sucks going on the roof, you know, when you're stepping on there and you're degrading, you know, your roof and all that stuff. That's not good. So, and plus this is a lot safer. So, and unfortunately I did get this patio. Matter of fact, let me walk over here real quick. So I did get this patio installed, which is awesome. This has been actually fantastic, but this makes it much harder, as you see, to get to my panels from the ground. So, and the guy said you can walk on this, but I don't know. I will see. But I haven't tried to clean them. I might maybe try to figure something out right now. I don't know. I might just let the rain clean these, you know, and just keep these, because these are south facing, so these are the most important ones. But I do have a lot of panels over here. You can see how filthy they are. But so I gotta figure something out with this. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, you know, like I said, just to, you know, something like this filter system I built, you can use it for your cars, you can use it for your windows. It's DI, so it doesn't have all the minerals and stuff in the water, so it won't leave like crazy water spots. You know, a lot of people, they don't understand. They think, oh well, the rain and all that. Well, the rain doesn't have all those minerals in it, and that's what sticks to, you know, the glass and the paint, stuff like that, cause all them water spots. So anyways, I'll just sign this video off, and this is just, I mean, literally I probably spent about 40 minutes cleaning these, pulling everything out. It was real quick. I may, in another couple weeks, I probably will clean them again, so I can you know, because like I said, it was so long between, so much dust, so much dirt, so they're not perfectly clean. So I'll probably go in there in a week or a couple weeks or something, wash them again, and then we'll just they'll probably be much better then. And it might even rain too. A lot of times you just got to break up that dirt, and so then the rain can clean them really good. But all right, signing off. Cleo, say bye bye. Bye, Buster. Peace.